Okay guys, good morning guys. So today, I'm gonna make crab stick and cheese lumpia. So these are all the ingredients. We need lumpia wrapper, cheese, and then the crab stick. Okay, to start, we're gonna put cheese, do like that, half. Okay, and then we're gonna put the cheese like this, like that, and then we're gonna wrap it like that. Okay, okay guys, oh look at that one. Okay, we have only, I think, 6 pieces. That's the only left in the pantry, so that's the only, guys, whatever we have in the pantry, so that's it. Okay, okay guys, so it's super yummy guys. Okay, it's only 6 pieces. 7 pieces di ay. It's only 7 pieces. Guys. Almost done guys. It's only 7 pieces guys. Okay guys. Okay. I'm gonna get for that. Our crab stick with cheese lumpia. Okay, guys, look at that one. Okay guys, that's our crab meat with cheese lumpia. Okay, so it's tasting time, so I'm gonna test it here. Okay, oh, it's super hot. It's yummy. You guys, it's super yummy crab meat with cheese lumpia. Okay. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D.Bro.Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Facebook page, and then personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.